Hi everyone, in our last video we showed you how to install the NDI plugin in OBS so that your OBS could support NDI input and output. If you haven't watched that video yet, check out the link in the description below. And today we are going to show you another plugin. This can allow you to control PTZ cameras directly in OBS. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content like this. And now, let's jump in. For this, we will use the PTZ Control plugin, and download links are in the description as well. So once you install the PTZ Control plugin, go to the Tools, and you will see PTZ Devices. I will tick all those three choices, and the speed is where you can adjust the pen tilt speed from your PTZ cameras. So now we need to add the camera. This is the one that I already added, so let's check it. So when you need to add another camera, click the add button and you will see different control protocols available. So you can control your cameras via VISCA serial, VISCA over IP, Pelco, or on-wave, and even UVC protocol. So for this camera, I use the VISCA UDP. I need to add another NDI sources first. So let's add another Explore XE camera. But we need to know the IP address of this camera. Let's rename it. So the IP address is 1.15. Okay, we need that for the control. We need to add another one. Explore XE, and you need to manually input the IP address. Okay, so we've added the cameras from the PTZ Control, and you don't see it because we need to add the docks. Okay, you can drag and put it anywhere you're used to, and you can drag it and put it anywhere you prefer. And from here, this is the list of your added camera. So this is the vision, I believe. Yeah. So this is the pen tilt and zoom. Is the XE, and here is where you can control the focus. So right now it's manual focus and one push focus, and you can just make it to autofocus. So to save a preset is also very easy. We can click add, we name it, and save it. Let's put it to the camera. Now double click for the preset. Okay, so it's very easy. Just download the plugin and you will be able to control any PTZ cameras natively from OBS. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.